Hi and welcome to Cheekyricho Cooking's mango and tuna poke stack. I've got this little thing here which is a food stacking ring. You've probably seen food prepared like this in restaurants. What you do is it comes in 3 parts. So that goes on the bottom of the plate. Then you put the ring on, okay? If you haven't got one of these, and they don't cost very much, you can use a clean can and just you load it all up, push your food down in quite firmly. That holds it together, and then you slide this little guy out, okay? Lift that out and then lift that off and you've got a perfect ring. That's the theory anyway. I've used it quite a few times before and I have showed you it in a different video, but it's a bit of fun. It looks really quite spectacular. These are the last of our mangoes off our tree. We have got some fresh yellowfin tuna here, supposed to be sashimi quality. I have cut it up into tiny little dice, okay? So we're looking about, well, whatever size that is, a little, and we're gonna have it in 2 layers. So we'll do the tuna first for the simple reason that I want the flavours to go into the tuna. So to our bowl we add our tuna, okay? Now it's raw tuna, it's going to be eaten raw, probably not so good for pregnant women or people who can't stomach raw fish. We're going to be adding some lemon juice. Now the lemon juice alters the protein in the tuna and makes it more digestible and all. It doesn't cook it, but they call it cooking it. It actually doesn't cook it, but that's what they say that it does. Okay, it's in with our lemon juice there, okay? Sesame oil, sweet chili sauce, soy sauce, and mix that all around. You can leave that for about 10 or 15 minutes. You can pop it back in the fridge. Those flavours will actually sort of marinate into the tuna. We've got some Japanese herbs here that we're going to just pop on the top of it. Some mint, some baby cucumber, vegetable salt. So with our mango, we're going in with our vegetable salt, some freshly cracked pepper, that little drizzle of that sesame oil that's left. Our baby cucumber goes in there now. Okay, some coriander, let's chop that up finally. This was just growing in our garden a few minutes ago. Some mint, also recently from our garden. It bruises quite easily, mint, so be a bit mindful of that. That goes in there now. Alrighty, now give this a stir around. Okay, I'm only making 2 of these, so grab our little food ring, put it on top like so. Put half of our mango mixture in there, okay, and just press that right down, okay. Now we get half of our tuna mixture and press it right down as well. Spring onions in there, okay. You could put some ginger in here too if you wanted to, that would make it really nice. Okay, so half of that goes in there now. And this is only a starter, so you don't have to make it really full to the brim. Okay, now press it in quite firmly, okay, all right. And now just lift that slide out from underneath it. We'll hold it into position. Take your lid off, like so. Take your ring off, like so. And then put some of these little Japanese Baby Shiso herbs on there. But they're really quite pretty and they've got a nice flavour. So let's put a few of those on there because they're only tiny and we only just got them the other day. Growing in our garden as well. So there you have it.
Cheekyricho's mango tuna poke stack.
I hope you enjoyed this little cooking demonstration. If you'd like to see more interesting recipes and ideas, just check out our Cheekyricho cooking channel and don't forget to please subscribe and do come back and visit us again soon. We've got so much more to show you and we're uploading lots of videos. And thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Have a little taste, shall we? Now you can make this ahead of time and just assemble it last minute. Salty, sweet, tangy, plenty of texture there. Nice and bright and colourful. Thanks for watching.